Welcome to Benchmark. This is the second video in series on the topic arithmetic progression. In the first video, I had explained the concept of what arithmetic progression is and the different terminologies related to the given series, and we had taken the question on how do I solve the question to find nth term of the given AP, or how do I find n if the given AP is given, and also we had taken few questions based on finding the sum of the given series, right? So you can watch my previous video with the heading with the topic named as arithmetic progression part 1 to understand the concept well. And then in this video we are going to take the questions. That is what kind of questions? I'm going to take only multiple choice questions. Fine. So let's start. Okay. Here is our first question. What will be the nth term of the AP? So what do you mean by what will be the nth term? It means I'm trying to find a generalized formula to find out nth term of the given AP, that is 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 and so on. So I just need to substitute the value of n in this particular formula for option what is given to us, and I should be in a position to find out the first term or the second term or so on. So how do I start? Please remember the formula to find an or tn. It was an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Fine. A is how much? 1 plus n minus 1 because I am finding the nth term, and d is how much? 5 minus 1, that is 4. Correct? Which is equal to a plus, just expand the bracket, it is 4n minus 4. So what do I get? 4n minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is how much? Minus 3. So what is the answer? 4n minus 3. Correct? Now you can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the fifth term? Is 17. So I just need, what I'll do is I'm just going to verify whether my answer is correct or not. 4 into 5, 20. 20 minus 3 is 17. Yes, my answer is correct. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. It says, if the nth term of the AP is 2n plus 7, then what will be the common difference? First term is not given, second term is also not given, third term is also not given. In short, the given sequence is not there with us. The given AP is not there with us. But there is a generalized formula which is given to us. Nth term is given to us. So what I can do is, can I find the first term? A1? Yes, I can find, because the value of n is how much? 1. So it is 2 into 1 plus 7. Right? 2 into 1 plus 7. So how much do I get? 2 under 2 plus 7 is 9. Similarly, if I want to find out second term, A2. So what do I get the value of A2 as? It's nothing but 2 into 2 plus 7. 2 to the 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. Correct? Similarly, if you want to go to find third term, what do you get? It's 2 into 3 plus 7. Right? 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. So what is the series I am getting? It's 9, 11 and 13. Right? Okay. So the terms were 9, 11, 13 and so on. Now can you find the common difference? 11 minus 9 is 2, 13 minus 11 is 2. So what is the right answer for this question? It is B. That is answer B. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. The question says, if the nth term of the AP is 7n minus 1, then the first term. So simple. First term means the value of n is how much? Value of n is 1. So just put the value of n as 1 into the formula. It is 7 into 1 minus 1, which is equal to 6. Correct? So hence answer is okay. Let's move on to the next question. The same type of question. nth term formula is given to us 8n plus 1, then the 20th term. So it is 8 into 20 plus 1. 28 are 160 plus 1, and which is equal to how much? 161. Correct? 161. Next question. If the 7th term is given, 11th term is given, then I have to find the common difference. What is the formula to find 7th term or 11th term? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So if I am using this particular formula, so what would be a11? That is 11th term. 11th term is nothing but a plus 10d. Right? Similarly, which is equal to how much? It is 11th term is 40. 7th term, a7, which is nothing but a plus 60, which is how much? 20. What I'll do, I'll subtract the second equation from first. Minus. A gets cancelled. 10d minus 6d is equal to how much? 4d. 4d is how much? 20. So what is d? D is equal to 5. So what is the common difference? 5. Correct? Okay. Let's take the next question. What will be the 14th term of the AP? Let's use the formula. I can use an, or I can also write it as tn. Some of the books they prefer writing it as an, some of the books they prefer writing as tn. T is term, n is the value. So it's n or tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I am being asked to find out 14th term. So T14, I can write it as a plus 13d. What is a? A is 5. What is d? D is 3. So just substitute the value. A is 5 and d is 3. So T14 is equal to 5 plus 13 into 3. 13 3s are 39 plus 5, which is equal to 44, and hence the answer is D. Next question. Which term of the AP 2, 11, 20, 29 is 290? Which term? I don't know the value of n. So what I need to do? I have to find the first term, which is 2. What is common difference? 11 minus 2, which is 9, which is same as 20 minus 11. And right now, Tn is given to us. What is Tn? Tn is given to us as 290. And what is being asked? N. The value of n is not given. So, let's use the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? 290 is equal to a. A is how much? 2. Plus n minus 1 into d. D is how much? 9. Correct? So take 2 on the other side. So it's 290 minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. How much? 288 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. Divide by 9. 288 divided by 9 is equal to n minus 1. 9 3s are 27. 9 2s are 18. So it's 32, and minus 1 comes on the other side. So it's 32 plus 1 is equal to n. So what is the value of n I am getting? 33. Correct? So when the last term is given, first term is given, if the common difference is given, I can easily find the value of n. Correct? Okay. Let's move on to the next question. How many terms are there in the given AP? It's the same as the last question. So I'm not going to use the entire formula. I'll be simply substituting the value. 282 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. D is how much? 16 minus 9, that is 7, right? So 282 minus 9 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So what I'm doing, I'm dividing by 7 at this particular step. Alright? 282 minus 9 is how much? 283. Sorry, it's 273. One sec. And on simplification, what do I get? N is equal to 40. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is C. Let's take one more question. Okay, so this is a question wherein we are going to find the sum of the 20 terms of the given AP. Correct? So how do I find the sum of the 20 terms? What is the formula? Do you remember? Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? What is n? 20 upon 2. 2a, what is a? First terms, that is 2 into 10 plus 19. 20 minus 1 is 19. And what is common difference? Common difference is 2. Right? 2 10 ja, so it's 10. 2 10 ja 20. 19 3 ja 38 plus 2 is how much? 58. So it's 10 into 58 is equal to how much? 580. Correct? So answer is D. Okay. Let's take few more questions. Okay. So this question says I have to find the sum of all 2-digit numbers divisible by 19. Right? 2-digit numbers. What would be the numbers? The first number, the smallest 2-digit number which will be divisible by 19 is nothing but 19 itself. And then every number is going to be multiple of 19. So it's 19, 38 and so on. And what is the largest number? 19 5s are 95. 19 6s are 114. But that becomes a 3-digit number. So I'm looking only for the 2-digit number. So the largest 2-digit number is going to be 95. So I know the first term. I know the last term. I can find the value of n. How do I find the value of n? It is Tn is equal to 95 it is given. So 95 is equal to 19 plus n minus 1 into d. 19 plus n minus 1 into d. When I expand the bracket, it is 19n minus 19 is equal to 95. So this 19 and 19 gets cancelled. 19n is equal to 95. So value of n is 5. Now the formula. What is the formula that you had used? If I know the first term, if I know the last term, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l. L is the last term. So it's 5 by 2, 19 plus 95. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay, so on simplification, what do I get? 5 by 2, 19 plus 95 is how much? 114. 2 into 114 divided by 2 is 57, into 5 is 285. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is going to be option D. Correct? Okay. I'm sure you would have no doubt till this particular question. Let's try to take few more questions based on this. Okay, coming to the next question. For what value of A are the terms 2a minus 1, 7 and 3a are 3 consecutive terms of the given AP? What is the value of A? This is first term, 7 is second term and this is third term. So as per the formula, it is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Can I say it as A2 minus A2 goes on the other side, so it's 2 times A2 is equal to A3 plus A1, or A2 is equal to A3 plus A1 divided by 2. So just substitute the value. What is A2? That is middle term. Middle term is 7 into 2 is equal to A3 plus A1. A3 is 3A plus A1, that is first term, 2A minus 1. 7 to the 14. This goes on the other side, plus 1. 3A plus 2A, that is 5A, right? 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 upon 5. 15 upon 5 is the value of A, which is nothing but 3. What is the correct answer? B is the right answer. Clear? Okay. Next. Let's move on to the next question. Same type of the question what we have already solved. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So what is the smallest multiple of 4 greater than or equal to 10? So smallest multiple is 12. So what is the series? 12, 16, right? It is 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. What about the largest term? How many multiples? So if I divide 250 by 4, 4 6 are 24. 1, 4 2 are 8. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. So what is the largest term which is divisible by 4? Is 248. Correct? Next. What do I need to do? I have to find out Tn. So Tn is given to us 248 is equal to A. A is also given 12 plus n minus 1 into D. D is how much? 4. Correct? 248 minus 12 is 236. Divide by 4 is equal to n minus 1. What is 236 divided by 4? 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. Minus 1 goes on the other side, plus 1 is equal to how much? N. So what is n? N is 60. Correct? So what is the right answer? Right answer is C. Let's move on to the next question. Next question says, find the value of P so that the given terms are in AP. Again the same thing. So middle term, please remember, if I have the terms A, B and C which are given in AP, so B is nothing but A plus C upon 2. This is a trick you can apply. So what is B? B is 2P plus 5. That is middle term. Which is equal to A plus C. That is 3P plus 7 plus 2P plus 7 divided by 2. Cross multiplication by 2. 2 to the 4P plus 10. 3P plus 2P is how much? 5P. 7 plus 7 is how much? 14. Correct? Okay. So 10 minus 14 is equal to 5P minus 4P. 10 minus 14 is how much? Minus 4. This is equal to P. Do I have an option minus 4? Yes. Correct answer is D. Minus 4. Let's take the next question. Next question says, find the sum of the following AP. Okay, but do I have the value of n? No, I don't have the value of n. I know the first term, I know the last term, but I don't have the value of n. So first of all, I have to find out n, right? So Tn, that is last term is given to us 199 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And what is D? 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So 199 minus 1 is 198. Divide by 2 is equal to how much? N minus 1. Right? 198 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Is equal to n minus 1. So 99 plus 1 is equal to n, which is equal to how much? 100. Now I can find out the sum also, right? So what is the formula to find Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus L. L is last term. What is n? 100. Divide by 2. A is 1. And what is last term? 199. Right? So it is 100 upon 2 into how much? 199 plus 1 is 200. So this is how much? 100. What is 100 into 100? 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. Do I have any option with 4 zeros? Yes. What is the right answer? A is the right answer. No doubt? Okay. Next question. Find the arithmetic progression whose 10th term is 5 and 18th term is 77. I have taken one more question of this type in the first video of mine, wherein I had solved this kind of question. 18th term, it means it can be written as a plus n minus 1, that is 17, into common difference d, that is 77. The same way, 10th term is nothing but a plus 9 into d, that is equal to 5. What I'll do, I'll subtract the second equation from the first one. Subtract second equation from the first one, right? So a plus 17d, a plus 17d is equal to how much? 77, and a plus 9d is equal to 5. Subtract it, minus, minus, minus. 17 minus 9 is 8d, and 77 minus 5 is equal to how much? 72. So d is equal to 9. Now I know the value of d as 9. I need to find a. Correct? Okay. So how do I do that? I just need to substitute the value in any one of the equation. So if I am substituting the value in the second equation or the first equation, let's say first equation, so it's a plus 9d. A plus 9, d is 9. So a plus 81 is equal to how much? 5. Correct? So a is equal to 5 minus 81, that is minus 76. Can I get the series now? It's minus 76 plus 9 is equal to minus 67, plus 9 and so on. I'll be in a position to get the next, all the terms of the given equation. Correct? Hope this is clear? Okay, let's take one more question. Okay, find the sum of the series 51 plus 50 plus 49 and so on up to 21. The last term is 21. Okay. How do I start? What is the common difference? Common difference is 1. Why? 1 or minus 1? We do make a mistake over here. It's minus 1. Succeeding minus preceding. It's 50 minus 51 or 49 minus 50. So common difference is minus 1. First term 51. An is 21. So what I need to do first, I need to find out the value of n. So simply using the formula a plus n minus 1 into d is n. Substitute 51 plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 1, is 21. Correct? 51 goes on the right hand side, becomes minus 51. When I expand the bracket, what do I get? Minus n plus 1 is minus 31. But what I have done, I have just changed the side of both the terms. So n minus 1 is equal to 30, n is equal to 31. What is the formula to find sum of the series? N by 2 in the bracket a plus L. What is the formula I am using over here? It is Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus L, where L is the last term. What is the last term? 21. What is the first term? 51. What is n? N we have calculated as 31. So it's 31 by 2 a, that is 51, plus 21, that is 72. On simplification, I get the answer as 1116. Correct? Okay. So any doubt in this question? I'm sure you should not have any doubt, but still It's a learning phase for all of you. It's a teaching phase for all of us. So if in case you have any doubt, don't hesitate to put your queries into the comment section. I'll make sure to answer each and every query. Any question that you'd like me to take up for this particular topic, feel free to put the question into the comment section, and I'll make sure I take that particular question into the next video. I'll be coming up with one more video on the multiple choice question. So please stay tuned. Learn, practice and practice. I'm sure the more question you practice, the lesser time you're going to take to solve such kind of questions. And last but not the least, make sure you press the like button, share and do subscribe if you have not done so. Subscribing means get the notification before others. Correct? Happy learning, keep safe. Until then, bye-bye.